This 2015 Ford F-150 is brought to you by TX Work Trucks. 2015 Ford F-150 Service Work Truck. Clean Carfax, 1 owner, no accidents, Texas truck. Fully boxed steel frame, full-length pipe rack with 2 toolboxes for parts and tools. 3.5 V6, 285 HP, smooth shifting 6-speed transmission, leather interior, backup camera, cold AC, hot heat, AM/FM/auxiliary, 1-2V plug, traction control, cargo lighting in the bed, telescoping steering wheel, hill start assist, trailer sway control, advanced track with RST, anti-theft system, SOS post-crash alert system, tire pressure monitor system, 3.55 rear end, 6010 number GVWR package, 23-gallon fuel tank. Very nice little truck to get the job done. www.tswertrucks.com 5101 E University Drive.